Hey viewers, this video is about Inventaa's Ignite, a unique product from the wall light range. This product comes in 3 wattages, the 3 watt, 4 watt and the 8 watt groups. And they also provide different color options. We can easily find the variation of the color using the product code on the package. Y means it's warm white, while C translates it to cool white, while M1 and M5 are multicolor and RGB lights respectively. It is important to note that the RGB lights come only for 8 watt, while the multicolor lights are available on both 4 watt and 8 watt ranges. Okay, now let's pick this one and unbox this powerful product. Inside the box, we find the light itself and a screw kit which consists of 2 stainless steel screws along with fishers and an Allen key. Moving on to the product features. We can see that this LED light comes with a sturdy aluminum body and a high quality polycarbonate lens. Also, take a look at the high quality LED inside the lens. Now, let's dismantle this piece of light. Use the Allen key to loosen the SS screws. Once you dismantle the product, you'll see it's fitted with an O-ring. This O-ring is for waterproofing purposes. And this product also is highly dust, rust and waterproof and comes with a rating of IP65. Now let's move on to the 6 kVA surge protection driver sealed with silicone potting. This is given to act as a stabilizer in case your light needs to be protected from high voltage. In case of repair, the company also gives you a 2-year warranty. As for installing the light, it's quite easy. Take the fishers and drill them inside the wall using a driller and fix the base plate on the wall using the help of the stainless steel screws that come with a screw kit. And secure this part while also ensuring that the O-ring is correctly placed so that it's properly waterproofed. Now let's assemble this and check the output. We are now going to plug the light in the current supply. Wow, it looks so rich and royal. Now let's explore RGB and multicolor options. Wow, they even look more amazing and add a touch of luxury to your elevation and exterior walls. Finally, we've reached the end of the video. It's also worth mentioning that all these unique products are proudly manufactured in India with their mass producing unit currently situated in Pallikaranai, Chennai. For any product related queries or you need assistance with replacement or warranty, please dial the toll-free number that is being displayed on the screen right now, or feel free to contact us at support@inventaa.in. Thanks for watching, guys.